In this video, I will show you how you can fix the camera quality of your iPad Air. But before we start, there are some tips to keep in mind. For the first tip, just grab your iPad and clean the camera lens of your iPad. Just use a soft cloth and clean the camera lens of your iPad because over time, dirt and oil might have built up on the camera, and this can significantly lower down the camera quality of your iPad. Now for the next tip, just make sure that you're in a good lighting condition before you capture a photo or record a video with your iPad. Now for the actual settings which will improve the camera quality of your iPad, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Camera. Under the Camera settings, just tap on Record Video. Now if your iPad is set on 1080p at 30 fps, just select 4K at 60 fps. Now after you do that, then just go back. Now under Composition, just enable the toggle for grid. And by using the grid, you will be able to align the object or the subject of your photo perfectly in the camera frame. Also, while you're taking a photo or recording a video with the camera of your iPad, just make sure that you keep your iPad still. Otherwise, the photos and the videos of your iPad will come out blurry. Now there is also one more thing. Now if you're capturing a photo for an object, now let's say if it is this car over here, now before you capture the photo, just tap on the subject and the camera will automatically adjust the lighting and the focus of the photo. Now for example, if the photo is still dark, you can increase the sun icon to the top to increase the exposure and the brightness of the photo. Or you can lower it down to dim down the photo. You can adjust the photo to however you want. But if you want even more control over the photos of your iPad, then for that, just open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install this app on your iPad. And once the Final Cut Camera app is fully downloaded, then just tap on Open and select Continue. Now just select Allow. Just tap on Continue and select while using the app. Now this app is primarily designed for the iPhone, so this is why the aspect ratio is looking a bit weird, but by using this app you will have more control over the camera of your iPad. As you can see, you can control the autofocus, you can control the exposure, the zoom, and all the other settings of the camera of your iPad. Now lastly, if the camera app is still not improved, just make sure that your iPad is connected to the internet, then go to Settings. Under Settings, just tap on General, and from here, just tap on Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this camera issue can be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And this is how you can fix the camera quality of your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.